Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix grinding noises in LG washing machines. Stay in touch until the end to learn simple troubleshooting hacks and more. First, the grinding noises may be caused by foreign objects getting stuck in the tub, unbalanced load in the drum, or the washer isn't level. Now, let's look at the fixes. Check for stuck objects in the tub. Terminate the wash cycle and offload any laundry that's in the drum. With the load removed, examine the drum to see any visible stuck objects. Remove if there are any present. Try spinning the drum by hand and listen if the grinding sound continues. If it does, removing the stuck object may require undoing the appliance panels, which needs a qualified technician. Rearrange the drum load. Press the pause button to stop the wash cycle and check if the load isn't evenly distributed. Arrange the load if it's not evenly distributed. Also, ensure the drum is only partially filled to allow free movement of the load during spinning. Level the appliance. Adjust the leveling legs of the washer to ensure it's plumb. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.